Okay, y'all, I'm gonna record an easy way to show you how I use my Instagram stories to fill openings at the last minute. So I made a video that should be able to help you. So right now I'm on my Instagram, as you can see, and I'm gonna go to the plus sign on the top right-hand side and then go to stories. And when I click on stories, I'm going to use the button that says create. Now, when you hit that, it's going to be dark. And at the bottom, you can go through and see the different themes. You can see some different creative ways that you could do it. But I'm just going to basically skip over these and just keep it more simple and just go to the basic like letters. And if you click on the letters, then it'll allow you to type something into a dark background. So I'll type in my message. So whatever you want your message to be, if it's last minute opening, if it's openings next week, or still have openings for homecoming or holidays or whatever's happening. So you're basically going to go to your story. You're going to hit the create button on the letters, and you're going to type in the message that you want to create so that your clients know what you're looking for. So this is basically, you're going to be letting them know what's happening, and then you're going to give what we say a call to action. So you want to entice them. You want to make it bright enough it's going to show up on their phone in that little circle at the top, because you're going to start putting this in your stories. You can also put it in your feed, but I recommend you put it in your stories, because usually people go to the top of their Instagrams and check the stories to see what people are doing. At the end, you always want to put how to reach you, call to book, or if there's a link that you have a booking link, that works too. So you want to do call to book, or if you do DM to book, I think that's harder, because then that's an extra step that you have to go through. So they can call, then that makes it easy. So I copy that. Let me go back to my Instagram, and I had that link button open. I'm going to paste the link that they're going to use. Now below the link where that'll actually use to be clicked on, I'm going to write what they're going to do. Click here to, and then when I'm done, Instagram Stories creates that clickable link, so it'll take them to my booking page. So I can say call to book or click here to book. In this case, I'm going to do both, because you want to make it as easy as possible. If they're not online booker people, then they're going to call. If they're not good calling people, they're going to book online. Then I'll look to maybe find a design. Sometimes I'll go to the little box with the pictures in it. I'll type hair, and you can kind of scroll through and see a little motion. Anytime you add something with motion in your post or your stories, is going to be a little bit more attractive for them to want to look at it, because you're going to want them to, you have to only have 3 seconds to catch their eye. So you want to do something with a visual, right? So what I'll do is I have this little picture of a girl with her hair, right? I'll change the color of the letters if I want to. I can also change the background by hitting that circle in the top left. So you can change the background, or you can change the letters. So I think I'll keep the background bright, that bright color, and I'll change my letters to white so that it stands out. So I've got the picture, I've got what I want them to do. I've got the background's kind of bright, so it's going to show up, right? And I can also find another picture or another GIF or something. I'll do a sunflower since it's sunny in summer. And then I'm going to put the location too. So I'll put my salon location. We have an Instagram, so it'll show up when I search it. I'll put that at the bottom in case they want to click on the company or look at any details, or if they need to go to the menu or whatever, they can do that. So I've basically created my message, and I'm going to save it to my camera roll. When you're done, don't forget to save it, because then from there, you can, of course, go to the bottom left and attach it to your stories on your Instagram, because you've made it and you attach it to your stories. But catch this, you've saved it on your camera roll, so you can go to all of your channels and post it and put it everywhere. So when you have an opening you want to fill, you really want to be omnipresent. I call it, like, really just be everywhere. Omnipresent means just everywhere they look, they see you. So you can either save this after it's uploaded, you can save it, you can share it. In this case, let me share it to my Facebook story. It allows you to do that. So I just share it everywhere. I can also use it in my camera roll to put it on my on my TikTok. I can put it on my other Facebook pages. I can put it in groups. I can type in Clearwater residents. I can also put it on my Nextdoor app. So just remember, whatever you make in your stories, save it to your camera roll, especially when you want to repost it. Also, if you make it sort of generic and not like an exact date, you can use it over and over and over again. So I will also give you some other examples of some simple ones that I've made. And hopefully this helps you in your activity to make your own so that you can stay busy and fill those openings that happen at the last minute. Good luck.